Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorials Point. Today in this video, I will guide you on how to fix Grindr messages not sending or loading. So now let's get started. First of all, check your internet connection. Make sure that your Wi-Fi connection or mobile data connection is strong. Another step is restarting the Grindr app. Completely close the app and simply restart it again. Or you can also try toggling on the airplane mode and after 10 seconds, toggle it off again. Another step is restarting your phone. Power off your phone and then turn it back again. Restarting your device can fix network or app related problems. Last but not the least, reinstalling Grindr app. Uninstall the app and reinstall it again, and it may repair corrupted files or settings causing issues. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.